Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having issue that your WhatsApp messages are not sending, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a internet connection because sometime it might be that your internet is not connected, so you can face these type issues. So you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, then wait for your phone till it's connect to Wi-Fi or cellular. And once you have connected, you have to retry to send messages. Or if you are still having the same issue, open up your settings or go for general. Go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you have connected, you have to try to disconnect your VPN. Sometimes it might be that your phone is connected to VPN, so after connecting, you cannot send messages. So once you have, it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you have to open up your app store. Go for search. You have to search for WhatsApp. You have to make sure that you haven't any update available on your WhatsApp, or if you have, try to update your app and then retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, try to offload your app, open up your settings, go for general iPhone storage, then go for WhatsApp, and then try to offload your app. Once you have offloaded your app, it might be fixed if have any bug in your WhatsApp app. So after that, you have to try to reinstall your app. Once your app has been reinstalled, you can really use your WhatsApp without any issues. So in this way, you can really fix all the bugs or issues in your WhatsApp app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.